Hello everyone, this is Kritika and welcome to our channel The Spoke Box. Today we are going to talk about a high-rising topic which is technical publications. In this video, we are going to cover several topics such as what is technical publication, history, domain, benefits, career option, criteria and scope. So make sure that you watch the video till end. Let's jump to the first topic which is basic technical publication. Technical publication refers to the creation of technical documents such as user manuals, installation guide, operating procedure and technical specification. Technical publication basically क्या करता है? It provides us the guidance and instruction ताकि हम कोई भी complex technology या फिर structure को maintain कर सकें. These documents are determined to be accurate, clear and concise, which are created by the technical writers, illustrator and the professional who are specialized in a particular field. टेक्निकल पब्लिकेशन जो भी डेटा क्रिएट करता है वो टू फॉर्मेट्स में करता है. फर्स्ट इज द प्रिंट एंड सेकेंड इज द डिजिटल फॉर्मेट. सो एज नाउअडेज एवरीथिंग इज इवॉल्विंग, सो एवरीवन वांट एवरीथिंग ऑन देयर फिंगर टिप्स. Basically, we provide users, technicians, stakeholders every operating information, illustrations, diagram, documentation on their electronic gadget within a click. Overall, we can say that technical publication plays a crucial role in helping users, technicians, stakeholders to understand complex technologies and the procedure. The history of technical publication can be traced back to the early days of printing and development of printing press. The earliest example of technical publication is Pompey Fresco, a document which describes the building of channel in ancient Rome. This document was prepared during the era of Industrial Revolution to help the workers to construct complex technologies and understand the structure. As technology advanced, the need for technical publication increased, and from the 20th century, the technical writer and technical illustrator were recognized as professionals in several domains and fields. There are some domains. Firstly, automobiles and manufacturing, aerospace and defense, healthcare, telecommunication, software development. ओवरऑल हम ये कह सकते हैं कि टेक्निकल पब्लिकेशन जो है हर इंडस्ट्री में एक क्रिटिकल कंपोनेंट कंसिडर किया जाता है. टेक्निकल पब्लिकेशन के कई सारे फायदे हैं विच इंक्लूड्स फर्स्ट इम्प्रूव यूजेबिलिटी. Technical publication provides clear and concise instruction for using and maintenance of processes and systems. It also helps the user to understand and follow the procedures. Second, enhance safety. It provides safety information and warnings so that we can prevent incident, accident and also reducing the liability for manufacturers and service providers. Third is cost saving. The cost associated with every industries can be reduced by the information provided for troubleshooting as well as problem solving by their own. Fourth, we have enhanced customer satisfaction. Technical publication enhances customer satisfaction by providing accurate, clear and correct information so that user can make most out of it. Then we have the fifth one, which is streamlined communication. The communication between the technical team, customer support team and end users are streamlined and accurate so that we can avoid the misunderstandings. Sixth one is the compliance with guidance. The companies which provide the guidance regarding the safety, environmental issues and the company protocol are being followed. So overall, summing up all the points, we can say that technical publications plays a crucial role in every industries along with their benefits. There are several career options in technical publications. Firstly, we have technical writers. They create technical documentations, user manuals, installation guides, operational procedure in several industries such as aerospace, automobiles, healthcare, software development and many more. Secondly, we have technical editors who edit and reviews the technical documents and also provide the guidance for technical writing and formatting. Third, we have content developers who uses multimedia such as videos and animations to support the technical documentation. Fourth, we have technical illustrators who create diagrams, drawings, 2D illustrations, 3D illustrations using various software to support the technical documentations. At last, we have documentation manager who oversees all the documents created by editors, writers, illustrators and all other contributors. सो हमें ये तो पता है कि टेक्निकल पब्लिकेशन में बहुत सारे करियर ऑप्शंस हैं, बट टू बी इन इट यू मस्ट हैव गुड कम्युनिकेशन, गुड राइटिंग स्किल एंड अटेंशन टू डिटेल. अ बेसिक क्राइटेरिया इज अ बैचलर डिग्री और एयरक्राफ्ट मेंटेनेंस इंजीनियरिंग फॉर एंट्री लेवल राइटर्स एंड illustrators. And also, if you have a higher education like a master's degree, you can be on a higher position like project manager, team lead and many more positions. So, let's move to the last segment which is the scope of technical publication. जैसे जैसे IT sector expand हो रहा है and digitalization is coming into consideration, many MNC companies has established their own technical publications. Not only in India but also in abroad like UK, US, Canada, Australia have their own specific technical publications. So the need for skilled workforce is increasing and we also have opportunity to be as a freelancer in technical publication. So thank you and we'll meet in our next video.